On January 21st, two high-intensity explosions took place within the span of 15 minutes in Jammu city, in India's Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. A total of 9 people suffered injuries in the twin explosions. According to Jammu and Kashmir police report, the blasts were caused by IED bombs.
जब हम यहाँ पर बैठ के चाय पी रहे थे, जब ऐसे बड़ा आवाज़ आई फुल वॉल्यूम में।
आप दुकान के
अंदर बैठे हुए थे। वहाँ से इतना पूरा जैसे अब पार्ट एक पार्ट यहाँ पर गिरा, एक यहाँ पर जस्ट मेरा दोस्त है यहाँ पर काम करता है, इनके सिर पे आगे लगा है यहाँ पर।
The blast in the transport yard of Narwal were triggered by the suspected terrorists at a time when security forces in the region are on high alert for the upcoming Republic Day celebration. As per officials, the first blast took place in a vehicle that was sent to workshop for repairs, and then 15 minutes later, another blast occurred just 50 meters away, which littered the area with damaged parts and trash.
दुख की बात है कि जो ब्लास्ट हुआ है, जहाँ पे इतने लोग बड़े सीरियस इंजर्ड भी हैं, कुछ उनका भी।
कितने टोटल इंजर्ड है?
7 लोगों का सुना है मैंने, इनसे उन्होंने बताया मुझे कि 7 लोग इंजर्ड हैं, उनमें से कुछ की हालत बड़ी गंभीर है।
Jammu and Kashmir is on a high alert ever since the 2 explosions have taken place. Sources claim Pak-backed terror group Lashkar-e-Taiba is involved behind the twin bomb blast. According to intelligence sources, Pakistan is changing its strategy. Sources say Pak-backed terror groups have shifted focus from Kashmir Valley now to Jammu region. Early this month, 2 cousins aged 4 and 16 were killed when an improvised explosive device went off in Dangri village in Jammu's Rajouri area, 14 hours after terrorists had shot dead 4 people there. Furthermore, Pakistan-based terror groups have reactivated 4 launch pads, and that the Pakistan Rangers are aiding these terrorists to conduct attacks. While Jammu and Kashmir attempts to return to normalcy, Pakistan ramps up its efforts to cause havoc in the region. The country has always attempted, with varying degrees of intensity, to destabilize India, undermine its unity, and subvert its integrity, and this strategy is unlikely to change. The Indian security forces, on the other hand, are fully committed to bringing peace to the Kashmir Valley. Recently, there have been numerous operations across Jammu and Kashmir that have resulted in the elimination of several terrorists, many of whom were foreign nationals.